Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great today. Right now I'm out here in this absolutely stunning snow-covered landscape. And today, I'm taking you along on a little adventure with me and my mates. Oh God. We've been exploring around, throwing snowballs, and having a proper good time toward the cupful. Some of the guys are taking selfies, others are just soaking in the moment. It's one of those days where nature feels unreal, like a movie scene. I'm honestly loving this peaceful atmosphere away from the rush. Moments like these remind me why travel is so important. I'm honestly loving this peaceful atmosphere away from the rush. So for those watching from Australia, you're gonna love this vibe. It's not your usual Aussie beach day, but hey, something different is fun too. We've got good company, good weather, well, cold weather, and good energy. And that's all you really need for a proper adventure. If you ever get the chance, definitely visit a snowy place like this. It's a whole new world compared to the warm Aussie climate. Stay healthy and well. Now I have finished the video. I pray for everyone. Like, comment, share.